Hi, together we will walk through how to make a regression with the platform app.ectable.ai. And what I mean by a regression, we will go through a simple example, which is predicting the charges of an insurance. This is a dataset about insurance, and we want to predict the charges with the age, sex, body mass index, the number of children, and information about if someone smokes or not. So basically here this is a better view of what we want to predict. We want to predict those values with those features. So to do so, we first go to the app.ectable.ai, and once we are on this app, first we need to upload our CSV. So the file we need to choose is the insurance dataset, just right here. Once our dataset has been uploaded, just like on Visual Studio Code, here you can see the table view, which shows each feature and each feature of our dataset. And since we are working on regression, we want to choose an analysis and search for regression. Since the column that we want to predict is the column charges, we remove it from the predictors and put it in the predicted target. And also we said that we don't want to use region to actually predict the charges, so we remove it from the predictors, and then we simply press run. After a few seconds, we can see the results of our automated machine learning algorithm, and most particularly the metrics associated to the regression. So the most important one for us is the R squared, which here is 0.817. When it's closer to 1, it means that our algorithm has a very high predictive power, and when it's closer to 0, it means that it has no predictive power, so we are happy actually about this metric. We can also see how well our algorithm is predicting the charges just by looking at the validation set. So here you can see that the real charges are $48,970, and the algorithm has predicted $48,596 for it. There is other things that we can have a look at, like the important features, the root mean squared error, the mean absolute error, but they are a bit advanced, so we are not going to talk about them in this video. Then to start using our model to make some predictions, two solutions. First, you can select a dataset that is that has the same columns, the same signature as the one we just used, or you can simply enter your values directly in this live interface. To predict the value. And then to go even further, you can use the live API. So you have here the endpoint URL, the Google Sheets function, to automatically use the deployed model.